Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to talk about switch case statements in Java, how to use them, and what are the things you need to remember when using them. So first I'm going to show you how to use a switch case statement to get a name of a day. So I'm going to write a function that is going to be a static function. So let's name it day name switch. So for this we are going to get a number of a day, and for this number we need to return and return the day name. So here I'm going to use a switch case. So for the switch case we are going to provide the day number. So then we need to add cases. So here when we add the case, here what this means is we check whether the day number is equals to 1. So if so, we are going to so first let's make an variable to store the day name. Then if we the day number is 1, then we are going to make day name equals Monday. Okay, then we have to add a break statement, and that is very essential. You always need to remember that you need to add a break statement once you finish a case. So if it's day number 2, we are going to make it Tuesday. Then if it is if the number is 3, then we need to make it Wednesday. If it's 4, we need to make it Thursday. Likewise, we have to move on. Next for Friday, and then for then the same for Saturday. Last it's going to be day name Sunday. So at the end, I mean, we have to add the default clause as well, because if the number doesn't equals to none of these, so in such case the default statement will be triggered. So in there we will make the day name as a invalid day number. So we don't need to add a break actually. Yeah. And then now we have completed the switch statement, but the function is not yet finished because we have to return a string. So now we are going to return the day name. So that's our function to get name using a switch case. So then now we can let's use it to create a variable and make it day and make it equals 3. Then I'm going to string the day name by calling a function and passing the variable day. Then I'm going to bring this day name. The day is day name. So if we execute it, we should get the day is Wednesday. Yeah, we got the day name. We got the expected output. So now let's comment this break statement and again run. So if we run it like that, now the day is not Wednesday, it has output, the day is Thursday. That means we have we have provided the day as 3, but since we didn't add a break here, now we don't have break here, so it then executes till we find a break. So if it make day name as Wednesday, then day name as Thursday, then only it going to break. So because of that, we have got this wrong output. So because of that, you need to be very careful and make sure that always you add break statements in each case. So that's how you use switch. And next time going the same thing can be achieved with if else as well. So let's take a look uh, how to achieve the same behavior with if else statements. So it will be like not switch get name if else. So here also we need to provide a day number, and if we so previously we have to make a day name, then in the if statements we have written day number equals 1, in the day name equals Monday. So then there is going to be else if day number equals 2, day name equals Tuesday. So again there is going to be else if, so day number equals 3, day name equals Wednesday. So likewise I think you get the point at this moment. So this will be 4 going to be Thursday. So then since the same thing happens, I'm going to paste a few. So 4 5, I'm going to copy all these, and yeah, so then it's going to be 5. So it's going to be Friday 1 2 3 4 5. This one is 6. Saturday, the 7 is going to be Sunday, and if the number is not equal to any of those, we set the day name as an invalid data. So at the end, as previous, we are going to return the day name. So if you compare these two functions, one with the if else and one with the switch, you can easily identify that the switch case is very much readable. In the if else there are much things and very hard to read. So the execution and the output we are going to get is same, but the function is switch case is very much readable. So another thing, if we execute and if we provide an invalid day as 30, then it's going to the default part and it will output that like the day is invalid day number. So I think that's it for this video, guys. I hope you learn some things about switch case statements. So if you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and like to this video. So thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.